Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Ee-Feh. I'm a makeup artist here in the UK and my channel covers fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if this is what you're into, you're definitely at the right spot. So in today's video we're going to be reviewing the new Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. It claims that it is for normal combination and oily skin type, comfortable 16-hour wear, full natural looking coverage, and true color oxidation resistant, and it's transfer proof and shine proof. Sounds almost too good to be true, but we're gonna be the judge of that. It comes in a plastic bottle, which is great. It is travel friendly. It's gonna be great for like if you're a makeup artist and you go in between jobs and you like to depot your makeup, your foundations into like plastic bottles. This is perfect, and it's a squeezy bottle as well, and I really like the packaging. The packaging is absolutely, not sure if zoom in it, there you go. The packaging is absolutely incredible. It comes with, don't know what that is, but this is how it comes. It's not shiny, so it's nice to hold, like it's not going to be slippery. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, comment and like, and I'll see you in a jiffy. So I'm just going to be priming my face, and I'm using a primer drops from Unicorn. It's basically like a beauty elixir. I really like this as well because it just leaves your face nice and dewy. Just going to like rub that all over my face and my under eye as well. And because it's a soft matte foundation, I really don't want to like alter the look or the result, so I don't want it to be overly moisturized. Oh my god, no, should I say beef burger, because I'm looking beefy right now, like look at that. I'm gonna go in real quick with my Revitalift spray. Let that Guys, I'm actually really excited to try this. I am in the shade Deep to New Caledonia. I'm also New Caledonia in the Nars Radiant one as well. So the same brush I applied the primer with, and we're just going to be blending and buff that in. Ooh, this is a really good match actually. It does dry really fast, so I would advise you to apply it to one side of your face and then blend it in before applying it to the other side of your face, if that makes sense. Oh wow, this is really nice. Oh Nars, Nars, you're making me blush. Oh my god. Do you know, I had a feeling this might be a tad bit dark, but this is perfect. I think depending on the type of skin you have, this can be a full coverage foundation for you. It's meant to be a soft matte foundation, but I feel like not really like soft. I'm not complaining, like I'm not mad about it, but this is not a soft matte foundation. It looks, I mean, in a way it's still a bit dewy because I can see some reflection on my face, which is the dewiness. To be honest, I don't even need to go in with a beauty blender. This brush blended it well. It blended it perfectly. Shout out to Simi Beauty and Brushes for recommending this brush. It's actually really good. So I'm just going to be applying this on this other side of my face. I'm just going to blend that in and buff it in. So this is what the foundation looks like, all blended. Right, so I'm gonna go in with my Nuban Beauty Concealer. This one is so annoying. What is this? Oh my god. Guys, welcome to the UK, likes. I've literally been waiting all morning to film with natural light, and I couldn't wait any longer, so I was like, nah, I need to start filming before I get lazy. Waited and waited and waited, but no, this fake ass sun decided to come out. But you know what? My God is created. Actually, God created the sun, so what am I saying? Lol. That was funny. Sometimes I just crack myself up. Blend that in. You blend until your arms are sore, basically. A lot of people like cream or liquid contouring, and some people just like powder contouring. Yeah, I feel like I'm a bit of like cream. I find it easier to blend. Oh, I really shouldn't be using my fingers, this is messy. But I can't find my brush. Guys, I'm really not doing a lot with this look. It's just going to be something neutral. Right, so to set my under eye, firstly I'm gonna go in with MAC Mineralizing Finish in Dark Deepest. This is just to set the under eye and pretty much the areas that I've highlighted. Gonna go in with Beauty by AD translucent powder. This is a Nigerian brand and it is absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna like rub that in a circular motion so my under eye doesn't crease. I might end up doing like a long wear test for this because I'm planning on cooking and I'm also getting ready to go out. So we're gonna be doing a long wear test to see if this can withstand an African cooking heat, you know? So I'm just going in with MAC in shade Raisin. I feel like this is a good bronzer slash blush. So since I bought this, I've actually stopped using my bronzers because I felt like it was doing the same. So that's just gonna like, you know, warm up my face. I'm just gonna go over that with powder and, you know, just infuse that blush in a bit more. How we looking, guys? Oh, like I must say, like this foundation is actually nice. I feel like it blends a lot better with a brush because it's a matte foundation. If it was a dewy radiant foundation, then I would recommend you blend it with a beauty blender. But because it's a matte foundation, don't waste your time, just blend it with brush and you'll be fine. So I'm setting my face with the MAC Fix Matte Prep and Prime spray just before I go in with my mascara. Guys, you need to shake this up really good, otherwise it's just going to mess up your makeup. I remember my wedding day, because I did my makeup myself, it was my first time trying the Prep and Prime matte spray as well. But it's got this powdery white thingy inside. The liquid is like whitish. But I didn't realise it until I sprayed my face. I didn't actually shake it and it literally just left like white spots all over my face. This is literally like an hour into my wedding and I was like, Jesus, the devil, Lord, the devil has decided to manifest. I was like, what am I gonna do? I was literally grabbing, you know, the eyebrow spoolie and I was like, you know, brushing it out. I managed to fix it. Oh my gosh, that day, man. Well, it's not focusing, so I'm gonna go and wet my MAC False Lashes Maximizer. And this is a new buy and I've literally not stopped using this. Right, as you can see, my lashes are coated. So I'm going to be applying just a normal black mascara from Kiko. So this is it. This is us. How do we look? Blush it up. Blush it up. In my head, I'm actually singing something else. Going in with my gold matte mineralizing skin finish in gold deposit. You can see. Let's add a bit of life to this face because You know, too much of matte is not good, so you need like a good balance. My under eye is looking a bit too dryish for my liking, so I'm just gonna spray my beauty blender. So I'm just pressing that in just to make it, just to reduce that mattiness. We're actually almost done with this look. So I'm just going in with my matte lip gloss in Dangerous Curves. It is actually a badass girl. Guys, just take a look at the result. It's claiming for it to be a soft matte complete foundation. It's got a good amount of coverage to it as well. And to be honest, I don't really have that much imperfection that I have to correct, so I've not done any correction, as you can see. Nars in shade in New Caledonia. It's simply babe. Like, I don't even want to take my makeup off. And this lip gloss, it's just giving me life. Literally giving me life. Oh my god. Guys, I really like this foundation. Yes, I'm a fan. I'm absolutely loving this look. I'm loving how this makeup turned out. It looks absolutely juicy. Is it soft matte? Yes, but I think soft might just be watering the actual look. I don't think it's a soft matte. I would probably say it's a medium matte. I wouldn't compare it to like heavy matte full coverage foundation. I wouldn't compare this to Huda Beauty, you know, the full-on coverage. I wouldn't compare this to the Kat Von D foundation. I think this is a good league of its own. To be honest, I'm yet to use any foundation that is still radiant but then still matte at the same time. And I also wouldn't compare this to Estee Lauder as well, because that is a full matte coverage foundation. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. Right now it is 1:30 p.m. so I'm gonna be checking back in a couple of hours later just to see how the makeup is performing, and see you guys. Peace. Hey guys, so this is me checking back in at 11:52 p.m. as you can see. Right, so let's have a look at the foundation. I feel like I wouldn't really say this is a 16 hours. Actually, depending on the type of skin you have, you might get away with it being 16 hours. Right, so this is what it looks like. Right, so I've literally cooked, I've ate, I've had a mini nap. Yeah, I've done quite a lot and it's still holding, even though I've not really used like, you know, a primer. I've basically used my moisturiser and the beauty elixir, and that was pretty much all the priming I did for this. It's actually still holding up quite okay, but I'm quite, so my nose has gone really oily and the sides of my nose here as well. Yeah, so definitely you can literally fry plantains on this nose. Literally. But apart from that, the makeup looks great, it looks bomb. And what else would I say about it? I think the foundation is slightly oxidized. As you can see, I look slightly darker compared to before, when I just had the makeup on and everything. So now that the makeup is finally set in and it's mixed with my body chemistry, my oils and everything, it's gone slightly darker. To be honest, it's not really a con for me. I just feel like it makes it look a bit more natural and it's just giving you more colour to your tone, if that makes sense. Wow, you get about 45 ml, that is quite generous, and I just love the packaging. It doesn't feel cheap as well, even though it's plastic. The cons would probably be the fact that when the foundation got released, the people in the US had more access to it than compared to us in the UK, and we had to wait like forever to get it. It doesn't affect how the foundation is performed. It still performed quite well, and to be honest, I don't have any cons about this. I think this is definitely going to be my staple foundation. So this is it. This is it. So I'm gonna wipe up my makeup, have a shower and call it a night, and that's it. If you've managed to stick around, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And this is foundation Nars in New Caledonia.